One of the most important CNC maintenance tasks is to make a backup of all the user files. This includes system parameters, the PMC ladder interface and parameters, custom macros, ball screw error compensation data, and several other files that may vary from machine to machine. These files are mostly created by the machine tool builder, but they are sometimes modified by the machine tool distributor as they integrate the machine with other devices, and then again by maintenance engineers at the end users. They are all essential to the accurate and productive operation of the machine. CNC files can be deleted by accidental operation, or lost due to a hardware failure, or an external event such as a lightning strike or flood. Without a backup available to restore these files, it could take weeks to get the machine up and running again and back in production, and that is if the machine tool builder can locate suitable files in their library, and then only if the machine tool builder is still around. It is prudent for the end user to maintain a backup of these files to avoid prolonged and costly downtime. Many FANUC CNCs have an automatic backup system that can maintain a number of backups on the CNC. This will protect against the accidental deletion of one or more of the essential files, but it does not protect against hardware failures or external events such as a lightning strike or a flood. The automatic backup procedure will be covered in a later tutorial. FANUC America also provides software that allows many of the files to be backed up via Ethernet to a network drive. This tutorial presents a procedure to back up all the essential files to an external memory card or USB memory stick. The CNC All Data Backup function captures all the necessary files in a single operation. It is recommended that you format the memory card or USB memory stick on the CNC before performing the backup. Make sure that any files already stored on the backup device are already saved somewhere else or are no longer needed. Note that the memory technology used in compact flash cards and USB memory sticks is not suitable for a long-term backup. All the files must be transferred to a PC or network drive, preferably one that is also routinely backed up by another secure system off-site or in the cloud. Before an all data backup can be made, there are certain settings and CNC system parameters that must be set. First, settings. To make an all data backup, the I/O channel must be set to either the compact flash memory card slot or the USB port. Also, since we may have to change some CNC system parameters, the parameter write enable must also be activated. The procedure. Select MDI mode on the CNC operator panel. Next, press the offset function button on the MDI panel. If necessary, press the offset function button on the MDI panel a second time to display the settings soft key. Press the settings soft key. If necessary, use the cursor up and down key to highlight the parameter write field. Press the operations soft key. Press the on:1 soft key to enable the system parameter write. Note, the SW100 parameter enable switch on alarm will be displayed. To clear this alarm, press the cancel and reset keys on the MDI panel at the same time. If parameter 3116 bit 2 is set to a 1, the alarm can be cleared by just pressing the reset button on the MDI panel. If practicing this procedure on NC Guide, press the special key on the MDI panel and then the cancel and reset keys in order. The special key is an NC Guide only key that makes the keys pressed one at a time appear as if they were pressed both at the same time. Press the offset function key to return to the settings screen. Press the cursor down key until the I/O channel field is highlighted. Record the current I/O channel device number. To back up files to a PCM CIA memory card, enter a value of 4 in the key input buffer. To back up files to a USB memory stick, enter a value of 17 in the key input buffer. Press the input key on the NDI panel or the input soft key. Next, system parameters. There are several system parameters that must be checked and/or set to perform an all data backup. It is recommended you record the initial values of these parameters and return them to their original settings after the backup is complete. To display CNC system parameters, press the system function key on the MDI panel. If necessary, press the continuous menu soft key until the parameter soft key is displayed. Press the parameter soft key. Parameter 138 bit 0, MDP, is important for multipath systems. Since each path may have its own part programs and other files, it is important to identify which files are associated with which path. The default extension for files associated with the first path is .txt. The files extension for path 2 when parameter 138 bit 0 equals 1 is .p-2. Since a maintenance engineer is not always sure if a machine has multiple paths, it makes sense to set this parameter just in case. It will not do any harm on a single path system. Enter the number 138 in the key input buffer. Press the number search soft key. Record the value of the rightmost bit, bit 0, MDP. If bit 0 is not already a value of 1, press the cursor right key until only that bit is highlighted. Press the on:1 soft key. Parameter 313 bit 0 determines if the data output function is enabled or disabled. To back up data, this parameter must be set to a 1. Enter the number 313 in the key input buffer. Press the number search soft key. Record the value of the rightmost bit, bit 0, BOP. If bit 0 is not already a value of 1, press the cursor right key until only that bit is highlighted. Press the on:1 soft key. Parameter 3202, bit 0, NE8, determines if subprograms in the range 8000 to 899 can be edited, displayed, or output to an external device. Parameter 3202 bit 4, NE9, determines if subprograms in the range 9000 to 9999 can be edited, displayed, or output to an external device. Machine tool builders often restrict access to the subprograms in the range 8000 to 9999 because they are used for probing cycles, tool change macros, and other machine functions, and they must not be accidentally deleted, overridden, or modified. These files are essential to the machine operation, so they must be backed up. So both parameters must be set to 0, not inhibited. Enter the number 3202 in the key input buffer. Press the number search soft key. Record the value of the rightmost bit, bit 0, NE8. Record the value of the fifth bit from the right, bit 4, NE9. If bit 0 is not already a value of 0, press the cursor right key until only that bit is highlighted. Press the off:0 soft key. If bit 4, NE9, is not already a value of 0, press the cursor left key until only that bit is highlighted. Press the off:0 soft key. That concludes all the settings and parameters that are required for an all data backup. Once the settings and parameters are all set, the all data backup is a relatively simple procedure. However, there are two phases to the all data backup. First, several text files are backed up. Next, the CNC instructs you to power down and then immediately power up the CNC with the backup device left in place. The boot function then backs up the SRAM, PMC ladder, and other binary files. First, select the CNC Edit mode. Press the System Function soft key on the MDI panel. Press the Continuous Menu soft key until the All I/O soft key is displayed. Press the All I/O soft key. Again, press the Continuous Menu soft key until the All Data soft key is displayed. Press the All Data soft key. Press the Operations soft key. If displayed, press the Format soft key to erase all the files on the backup device and ensure a CNC compatible format. When asked, press the Execute soft key to confirm the format operation. Press the F-Output File Output soft key. It may be labeled Punch on some FANUC CNCs. Note a message is displayed stating that the power must be turned off. Do not turn off the power at this step. Also note that any existing files will be overridden. If you formatted the backup device, there will be no pre-existing files. Press the Execute soft key to confirm the backup operation. A progress bar is displayed indicating the file that is currently being saved. When the initial file backup is complete, a message is displayed to cycle the CNC power. Turn off the CNC. Turn on the CNC and note the boot screens indicates that the binary files are saved to the backup device. One file will always be the SRAM data backup. There may be several user file backup files listed, including the PMC ladder file. When the first normal CNC screen is displayed, the All Data backup is complete. Remember that compact flash and USB memory sticks are not a suitable long-term backup. Transfer the backed up files to a PC or network drive that is itself backed up either on an external network drive or in the cloud. Finally, we should reset the settings and system parameters we changed to do the All Data backup. Select MDI mode on the CNC operator panel. To display CNC system parameters, press the System Function key on the MDI panel. If necessary, press the Continuous Menu soft key until the Parameter soft key is displayed. Press the Parameter soft key. Resetting parameter 138 bit 0 MDP. Enter the number 138 in the key input buffer. Press the number search soft key. If the recorded value of this parameter is 0, press the cursor right key until it's the only bit that is highlighted. Press the off:0 soft key. Parameter 313 bit 0. Enter the number 313 in the key input buffer. Press the number search soft key. If the recorded value of this parameter is 0, press the cursor right key until only that bit is highlighted. Again, press the off:0 soft key. Parameter 3202 bit 0 and bit 4. Enter the number 3202 in the key input buffer. Press the number search soft key. If the recorded value of parameter 3202 bit 0 is 1, press the cursor right key until only that bit is highlighted. Press the on:1 soft key. If the recorded value of parameter 3202 bit 4 is 1, press the cursor left key until only that bit is highlighted. Press the On:1 soft key. Now the settings. Press the Offset Function button on the MDI panel. If necessary, press the Offset Function button on the MDI panel again to display the Settings soft key. Press the Settings soft key. If necessary, use the cursor up and down keys to highlight the parameter right field. Press the Operations soft key. Press the Off:0 soft key to disable System Parameter Right. Press the cursor down key until the I/O channel field is highlighted. If the current I/O channel device number is not the same as the recorded value, enter the recorded value in the key input buffer. Press the Input key on the MDI panel or the Input soft key. That concludes this tutorial on the All Data Backup.